Get out of the street.
Pepper spray in my eye.
Move out of the way. Move out of the way. Move out of the way.
Move out.
Move out of the way!
Idiot.
Hey, if you don't stop the TV, I will pull you out of the vehicle. I will pull you out of the vehicle. You need to move now.
I'm going to tell you again. Come on. Come on. You need to go now. Come on. Come on.
All this work just to go empty-handed feels real bad. Get water! Imagine this. You flew all the way to Minneapolis.
Keep going.
No one wants you here.
Keep going. Hey, get back.
Hey, watch how you spray that.
He's a German immigrant.
Oh, come on!
Come on!
It's right. It's right.
Everybody stand through.
Yeah.